everyone, I'm Robin. And this week, study in the last 3 months. 첫 번째 대학원은 그 변호사 되기 위해서 BPP 스쿨 그래서 알게 다시 따라고 지금은 프로그레스 So this week, London, and I teach English reading and writing. So I teach 2 things: reading, writing, and focus is always writing. The writing part is simple. I teach how to express yourself. 자기말로 그 evidence를 이 자기말로 표현하는 걸 이제 emphasize. So obviously spelling and grammar. More difficult parts, 좀 더 어려운 부분은 이제 reading. And I teach 3 levels of reading. So most 학생들 3 types of reading. First level is literal reading, 이 reading comprehension 이해했는지. Most students understand, some don't. That's what most students do understand. Next level is metaphor. 그럼 전 설명할 때 많이 물어봐. 죄송해요. Like a snake or an apple, so 그 religious imagery를 이해할 수 있는지. Symbolism, the reason why I teach symbolism is 학교에서 if you read a brand new text, especially teachers don't give you help, then before they come see me, I want them to understand a little bit. So I'm teaching them formulas. So for example, at a very basic level, I'm teaching how in math, students understand this as a formula. I'm teaching the same things. I'm teaching that apples or snakes equal temptation or like religion. So that's my final level of teaching for reading. Once students understand literal, metaphorical, and symbolic meaning, then I help them express it in their own way. And that's what I teach. So if I can just... this. How I go about doing this, oops. Is this. So this is an example of what I teach. I give students books to analyze. So reading is homework. Reading homework는 하루에 한 maybe 45 minutes, 1시간 정도. 읽은 다음에 when they come to class, we start reading again. But I take chunks. I take small excerpts. And 읽었을 때, my first question is, what do you think is important? So I'm getting them to understand deeper meaning. 그 deeper meaning을 어떻게 discover했는지 확인하냐면은 highlight를 통해서. So I asked them to highlight. What do you think is important? highlight을 한 다음에 then I asked them to write in your own words using what you highlighted. This is how I check students understand deeper meaning. So, for example, in this passage, there's three mandatory evidence students need to select. So 이 세 개를 highlight 안 하면은 then I'll show them how, I'll give them feedback, and I'll let parents know. And select한 다음에는 이제 이 writing 보게 되고요. Now in class, I will give students answers. 이 마지막 부분은 I will give to students. So I ask students to highlight, but I will give the answers during class. So 이 부분들은 제가 언제나 그 학생들한테 그 답장으로 주는 거고요. 이걸 준 다음에 이제 클래스 한 마지막 20분에서 30분은 이제 학생들이 자기 own 이 라이팅을 할 수 있게 opportunity를 주는 거고. So 이 클래스 진행되는 그 structure는 highlighting and writing my answers, and then last 30 minutes students write their own answers. In terms of syllabus, junior course syllabus is these three books: Touching Spirit Bear by Ben Mickelson, The Giver, Lewis Lowry, and Monster Calls, Patrick Ness. 책 레벨들은 mostly junior core는 8th에서 9th grade 책들 제가 select했고요. It's a little bit hard. Students will find it hard, but well, it's winter intensive. I think it's fine. I think students should find classes difficult. So that's the reading part. Reading homework는 언제 클래스 전에 끝내서 오는 거고. And vocabulary는 SSAT vocab 리스트를 제가 줘요. So maybe 학생들이 이 SSAT 시험 보게 되면은 도움 될 거고. If not, it's fine. It's more vocab, so it should help regardless. Core syllabus는 no, 이 책. Apologize. 이 책들이 아니고 they're different texts. This is from last year. So core syllabus is different books. It's not these three. It's week 3 is 1984 by George Orwell. Week 2 is Fahrenheit 451, and week 1 is Curious Instinct of the Dog. So core syllabus 책들은 grade 10하고 11 텍스트이고, again, it's a little bit difficult. 그 학생들 레벨들보다 maybe 하나 아니면 2 grades higher 제가 select한 거고. And the reason is it's practice. 왜냐면은 저하고 하는 거는 학교에서 하는 게 아니기 때문에 practice고 좀 어려워도 뭐 ultimately GPA를 affect하는 건 아니기 때문에 저하고 어려운 걸 해서 학교에 가면 좀 더 쉽게. So that's my philosophy. And vocab is SAT vocab. Again, 학생들이 SAT를 take 안 해도 it's useful. SAT vocab is good. It's useful for school essays and college. So texts are different. I apologize. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, it's basically reading, writing, vocab. Reading, writing, vocab. That's the format. Homework is every day, 10 to 40 pages. 리딩을 홈워크를 준 이유는 클래스에서 안 하고 학생들이 그 읽는 스페이스가 좀 다르기 때문에 some students read fast, some students don't. It doesn't matter for me. 학생들이 2시간 걸려도 I think that's okay. Again, it's practice. But minimum reading 시간은 한 45분쯤 걸리게 제가 structure 했고. And vocabulary는 junior students, junior core 학생들은 50 words a day. Core students 75 words a day. Again, vocabulary 그 공부하는 시간은 again recommendation이고요. 30분 걸릴 수도 있고 1시간 걸릴 수도 있지만 or longer is possible. But minimum 아무리 그 아는 단어라고 해도 I expect 30 minutes. So maybe like 25 seconds, 30 seconds per word. Yeah, that's homework. And yeah, thank you very much.